What's up, guys? It is Wire and Brown bringing you another video. We are back in action. Got another phone, y'all. Same one, iPhone SE. Because as y'all know, I do not have a job yet except for selling shoes every once in a while. So you're going to get an iPhone 8 or a 10, none of that. But this still works because it brings great videos to y'all. And so we're just going to keep on rocking with it until it fails us. But yeah, today's a little different. Finally back at the crib. I've been at my stepdad's house for like 2.5 weeks now. So it feels good to be back. And we're doing a little unboxing, and I'm gonna show y'all my studio setup. It's interesting, but it works. The first thing I unboxed, I was too excited to wait, is this butterfly knife trainer. If you're not familiar with what a butterfly knife is, it is those little fancy knives, you know what I'm saying? Like, you do them little tricks and stuff with it. I'm not a professional with it yet, you know what I'm saying? Just got it, so not quite sure how to use it all the way. But I can use it a little bit, you know? Opening and closing very easy. Yeah, so if y'all want me to like show you my journey of getting better with this, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to do that because I like this thing. It's fun. Now, being my skin tone, trust me, I don't plan on going outside and flipping this all around. No sir. And so yeah, that's the first unboxing, and as you can see right there by those bag of chips, we got the second unboxing. So let's get into it. Let's see if I can use this trainer. I ain't got no real blade because I think butterfly knives are illegal actually. But yeah, let's open up this box. All right, so got the box cut right here. Let's go ahead, get a little more. Boom, boom. Let's see, it's looking like a mic because that is a hacker. Now, I'm no genius when it comes to mics or whatever and all that good stuff, but I did some reviews, all that good stuff. So, we have a new ear. It's called the NW1500. It is the red colorway of the mic. You all know red is my favorite color. See your new ear. Is it gonna focus? Hold up. I don't know what that says actually, so let's see what it says. Come on, focus. Yep, NW1500 microphone, desktop stand kit, blah blah blah. Basically, I just got this so I could have some little better quality music for y'all. So let's go set it up in the studio. So upon opening the box, right off the bat, you got new ear, pro quality, amateur prices right here. So I guess that's what they're saying is. I'm gonna go ahead and say this is not an instruction manual. This is like a little introductory thing right there. As you can see, dear customer, blah blah blah. That's amazing, beautiful. Out of the way. Okie dokie. Let's see, what is this? More information about the thing. Okay, so it's looking like I'm gonna have to guesstimate the process of putting this thing up. It shouldn't be too hard. It's fairly simple. Frequency response curve, whatever that means. As y'all can tell, I'm not really into all the details on this stuff. I just kind of plug the mic in and hope it works. So, looks like we got a piece for a stand here. Then we've got the cord that I believe connects from the phantom power into the mic. I'll figure out what this is. I saw this in the display on what it was. I don't know what it's actually called though. We have the stand itself. It's got a pretty good weight. Probably won't be using a stand though, but we'll see, we'll see. And then got a little pop filter. I've heard from people who reviewed this, don't mind that the pop filter could be better. So if you have your own, use it. I don't have my own though. So you know what we're about to do? Use this right here. And then the moment felt trip, we have our, oh, that's not my favorite. Oh yeah, I like this one. We have our mic. You know what I'm saying? We got a new mic now, y'all. There you go, make that tight. So yeah, it's got a nice weight to it. Like this red. Matches my bed almost. Oh no, it's a perfect match. So as y'all can see, Neewer NW1500. That is the mic that I will be using from now on in all of my music until I buy another one. And so, let's go ahead and open up this 48 volt phantom power supply. Stable, running, portable. Those things sound nice. Got your cable. Thank God, some instructions, because I sure don't know how to use one of these things. Alright, thank you, show me how to do that. Another introductory card. What's this? Little white box here, it's got something in it. Alright, looks like a power cord for the actual thing. And then the thing that makes all of the future music possible. I'll put y'all down for one. No, wait, no. There you go. Voila. So yeah. Output, input. Oh, I like how this feels. It's like a very nice, sturdy, aluminum feeling thing. So yeah, that's that. This is where I was currently making music, y'all. It's really crazy. I have my computer right here. Got a speaker to play music so I can hear it up there when I don't feel like using my beats. Got my lyrics, if I use lyrics, right here. And this is the mic I was using, guys. Yeah. So, y'all can understand why I would want to go from that to this whole setup. Trying to get better quality music for this collaboration that I'm doing. So, needed a better mic. Got a better mic. So hopefully the collab's on the way. You know those little sound canceling pads? Don't have those yet. So I try to make the room as quiet as possible. And then we toss up the extra pillows. But yeah, now I'm gonna set this up and I'll get right back to y'all when I do. Alright guys, so the mic is now up. Beautiful. Had to take off a shelf because of the stand height, including the mic itself. It wouldn't fit with the shelf being right here. Kinda see it cuts right into it. This is, I don't know if y'all saw the football before I came in the room, but yeah, it's an official NFL autograph. Forgot the name of the player. My dad told me a couple of times too. I just can't remember. But it is of the Titans. Not the best team, but I'm a Tennessee Vols fan and not really into the NFL. So, you know, why not be a Titans fan if I'm a Tennessee Volunteers fan? But yeah, this is the mic setup. Open. Now I'm about to get in some testing and really I'm bored, so I'm gonna do probably a couple of runs on this thing, maybe just a couple freestyle or something like that. Got our phantom power down here. Go ahead and turn that on. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Got my computer right here. You know what I'm saying? We got the exclusive HP and Apple collaboration. Never seen before. But yeah, I'm gonna get on this thing and do something. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out over there. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed the packages I got today. I've been using this thing all day. And as you can see, it's night time now. I was helping my mom with something they are unpacking from a trip. They just went to Cancun. Had a pretty good time. Saw some beautiful things. Got some pesos. I love collecting coins. So got some pesos. And yeah. That's pretty much gonna do it for today. And got the mic. Got this thing right here. And now I'm about to just use this mic and hopefully make some more good music for y'all. Keep on spreading my name. 543, I think, right now. Trying to reach 600. Trying to reach 1,000 by August 31st. Am I gonna do it? I don't know. That is really up to you guys. But I'm gonna really try to. Man, my hair's looking rough. I didn't really do my hair today. I kind of woke up and was just like, I'm not going anywhere. So, yeah. But that's gonna end this video. Remember, if y'all want to see me slowly getting better with this thing right here, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll keep making videos of me getting better and tricks I learned, stuff like that. And then more music on the way with that over there. And yeah. Still going, hold on. Wire and bound. Out.